Hi folks, Eric here from Study Notion, talking today about SSH and actually getting SSH working. For those of you that have been on our website and seen some of the articles, you might think that all I do is talk about SSH. That's not the case. It just turns out that this is a problem I had not that long ago, and I'm hoping to share what I've learned here today with you so that hopefully you can have this problem go away as well. So before we do that, I'd like to just take a few minutes and talk about a company in the food service industry, top-notch company, so stick around and then we'll get right to the video. Are you on the lookout for a Christmas gift, a birthday gift, New Year's gift, literally any other type of gift, or you just simply want some really nice olive oil and balsamic vinegar? I recommend you check out Aurelius Fine Oils. They're located in Ottawa on Wellington Street. It's a veteran-owned business. Mike is a stand-up guy. Check them out when you get a chance. They also have a website. I will post the link in the description below. They do these really nice little gift bags. You can basically just buy these and send them to people. There's some really cool pairings. You have like rosemary and garlic, for example. You can also buy them individually as well. So things like this one here is raspberry, and you pair that with Persian lime. It's really good. It's like it's nice sweet flavor to it. This one here is white fig, and you would pair this with rosemary. So again, some really good flavor combinations. They come in different sizes, so you see the little bottles here. There's also a medium-sized bottle you can buy. There's a larger size, which I unfortunately don't have with me here today, but there's a really great selection. So again, check out their website when you get a chance. They do offer shipping. Again, it's a veteran-owned business, so support the troops. And yeah, all the best. So what was the problem? Well, as it turned out, this was kind of a complicated one. At least I thought so at first. It turned out that the solution was actually quite simple. So essentially what I had were three machines, three nodes if you will, two computers on a local network and a website. So the first computer, calling that node A, could connect to the website, no problems at all. The second computer, we're calling this node B, could connect to the first computer, also no problems at all. Trying to connect B to C, so the second computer to the website, this is where the issue started. So I'm kind of puzzled at this point because why is it that I can have one machine talk to the website but not the other? Like, what's up? Why is this one special? Well, it kind of came down to just try updating machine B. And as soon as I did that, lo and behold, machine B could then talk with the website via SSH. Now, I'm making an assumption here. My belief is that machine B, because it was out of date, there were some guardrails on the website which essentially prevented machine B from talking to it. It's as if it was like, yeah, buddy, you're out of date, so get yourself updated and then maybe we can talk again. So that's my presumption. If you have any suggestions or comments or feedback on this, please post it in the chat. I'd love to hear from you. I will also try to include this presentation in YouTube space as well, so if people want to download that and read it in slow time, they're welcome to. And I hope this has been helpful. Cheers.